at Stafford County Public Schools, we believe that every student deserves the opportunity to succeed in school, in the community, and beyond graduation. That's why we're proud to offer Project Search. Project Search is a one-year internship program designed for postgraduate students with disabilities ages 18 to 21, whose goal is to gain meaningful, competitive employment in the Stafford County and Fredericksburg area. The program takes place at Mary Washington Healthcare, where students are immersed in real-world work environment. Over the course of the year, students rotate through 3 different unpaid internships to explore a variety of career paths, gaining valuable hands-on experience each step of the way. In addition to their internship experience, students receive instruction in employability and independent living skills. This comprehensive approach ensures that they are not only ready to work, but ready to transition from school to a productive adult life. The ultimate goal of Project Search is competitive, integrated employment at least 16 hours per week and the opportunity to lead a fulfilling adult life. Project Search is changing lives, one internship, one opportunity, one student at a time. To learn more about how Project Search is empowering young adults to independence in our community, please visit our website.